Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keep the keyboard light on Acer Nitro 5. First, make sure your Acer Nitro 5 laptop is turned on. Now, look at the keyboard, find the key that has a small keyboard light symbol on it. On the most of Acer Nitro 5 laptop, the symbol is on F9 and F10 key. Next, press and hold the F9 key. While holding the F9 key, press the keyboard light. This will turn on the keyboard light. If the light is already on, pressing the same key again will change the brightness level. Keep pressing until the light is brighter enough for you. You can also press NitroSense key, which has a "and" logo. When NitroSense open, go to the keyboard or lighting setting. Here, make sure the keyboard lights is enabled. Some models also allow you to turn off keyboard light timeout. If you see this option, set it to the light stays on longer. You can also separate lighting style using static or dynamic. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.